Hello guys, magandang hapon. For today's vlog is kukunin natin yung ating eggplant or native talong. Tara. Sliding. Yun o, bumulagaan agad o. 1-0. Oh, sorry. Where's the other one? 3, sorry. Pag-unin patola saka ampalaya. Next month tataniman na natin yan. Tapusin lang natin yung December para hindi tayo masyadong busy.